Celtic in the middle of 3 big calls here on the last 3 possessions as the Boston family just saw the green light. It was clearly Boston's basketball.
Chicago turns it over. 3-on-2 Celtics. 4-on-2. Pierce for 3. After getting the lead, it might have shot the roof right off this building.
Exactly.
Salmons, quick trigger.
I know this team wants to get up and down and run, Dan, but right now, as Boston's making a little run, that's probably a shot Vinny Del Negro didn't have in his mind.
Bulls have now missed their last 6 threes. Chicago has led most of the game, led by as many as 11 earlier this quarter. South just had the hands up Pierce most of the afternoon. Shot clock at 3.
Ano ba yung team mo dyan? Ano ba yung team mo? Ha?
Yung coach.
Chicago ba?
Boston finally gets themselves a lead.
Baby, ano yung team mo doon? Yung pinanonood mo kanina, Chicago ka ba o Boston? Oh, sorry po, nagtatanong lang naman. Sorry po, sorry. Sige na. Oh. Sige na. Sorry po. Oh. Sorry po. Talo yata, kaya tutulugan mo eh. Oh. First round pa lang naman yan. Ito po yung ano, miyembro po ng Shaolin Soccer. Kaganda lang ng baby naman. Kaganda ng baby. Ay. Naku, malamang natalo to. Natalo sa pustahan tong bata na. Kaya mainit ang ulo eh. Oh, mainit ang ulo. Tingnan mo. Oh. Oh, yan oh. Mainit ang ulo. Talo siguro siya. Kasi pupusta na lang tong pa sa talo.